Remember those spidery falsies our grandmas wore? They were thick, heavy, and often looked quite unnatural, almost like spider legs attached to the eyelids. It was a bold look for its time, but not exactly what we would call refined by today's standards. Thankfully, eyelash technology has evolved. We've come a long way from those early days. Innovations in materials and design have revolutionized the way we enhance our lashes. We've gone from stiff, unnatural-looking strips to a world of options. Now, there are lashes for every occasion and style, from everyday wear to special events. The variety is truly astounding. Today, lashes enhance our natural beauty, adding subtle definition or dramatic flair. Whether you want a slight lift or a full-on dramatic effect, there's a lash style to match your mood and outfit. Whether you're aiming for a natural no-makeup look or channeling your inner Hollywood diva, there's a perfect lash strip out there waiting to elevate your eye game. The choices are endless, from barely there wisps to bold, voluminous lashes that make a statement. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all beauty solutions. Now you can find lashes tailored to your specific eye shape and personal style, ensuring a perfect fit and look every time. Let's dive into the luxurious world of mink lashes, the crown jewels of the eyelash kingdom. These premium lashes offer unparalleled softness and a natural look that synthetic lashes just can't match. They are the ultimate in lash luxury, perfect for those who want the best of the best. Mink lashes are the epitome of luxury in the lash world. They represent the pinnacle of elegance and sophistication, offering a touch of opulence that is unmatched by any other type of lash. When you wear mink lashes, you are not just enhancing your eyes. You are making a statement about your taste and style. Crafted from ethically sourced mink fur, these lashes offer unparalleled softness, flexibility, and a naturally glamorous look. The ethical sourcing ensures that no animals are harmed in the process, allowing you to enjoy the luxury guilt-free. The fur is meticulously selected and treated to maintain its natural luster and texture, providing a lash experience that is both luxurious and responsible. Unlike synthetic lashes that can sometimes look overly shiny or plastic-like, mink lashes mimic the delicate texture of real human lashes, resulting in a seamlessly blended and effortlessly chic look. This natural appearance makes them ideal for both everyday wear and special occasions, as they enhance your eyes without appearing artificial. The lightweight nature of mink fur also ensures that the lashes feel comfortable and natural, even after hours of wear. Beyond their luxurious feel, mink lashes boast exceptional durability. They are designed to withstand the rigors of daily wear, maintaining their shape and integrity over time. This durability means that you can enjoy the benefits of mink lashes for longer, making them a smart investment for anyone who values quality and longevity in their beauty products. With proper care, these beauties can be reused multiple times, making them a worthwhile investment for any lash enthusiast. Cleaning and storing them correctly can extend their lifespan significantly, allowing you to enjoy their luxurious feel and appearance again and again. This reusability not only makes them cost-effective, but also reduces waste, contributing to a more sustainable beauty routine. They come in various styles, from wispy and natural to full and dramatic, catering to every eye shape and desired look. Whether you prefer a subtle enhancement or a bold, eye-catching statement, there is a mink lash style to suit your needs. The versatility of mink lashes means that you can easily switch up your look to match your mood or the occasion, ensuring that your eyes always make the perfect impression. For those seeking a bolder statement, high-volume lashes are the way to go. These lashes add significant volume and length, creating a dramatic effect that is sure to turn heads. Perfect for nights out, special events, or whenever you want to make a lasting impression, high-volume mink lashes are the ultimate accessory for a glamorous look. These lashes are designed to add drama and create a show-stopping effect. The rich, voluminous texture of mink fur ensures that your eyes become the focal point of your look, drawing attention and admiration. Whether you are on the red carpet or simply want to feel like a star, mink lashes provide the perfect finishing touch to any glamorous ensemble. On the other hand, if your goal is a subtle enhancement, natural-looking lashes are perfect for everyday wear, subtly accentuating your eyes without looking overdone. These lashes provide just the right amount of lift and definition, enhancing your natural beauty in a way that is both understated and elegant. Ideal for work, casual outings, or anytime you want to look effortlessly polished, natural mink lashes are a versatile addition to your beauty routine. Applying false eyelashes might seem daunting, but trust me, it's easier than you think. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you'll be able to master this beauty trick in no time. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or just want to add a little extra flair to your everyday look, false eyelashes can make a huge difference. With a little practice and these simple steps, you'll be rocking flawless lashes in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't get discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it just right. The key is to stay patient and keep trying until you feel comfortable with the process. First, measure the lash strip against your natural lash line and trim any excess length for a comfortable fit. This step is crucial because lashes that are too long can feel uncomfortable and look unnatural. Use small, sharp scissors for precision, and always trim from the outer end of the lash strip. Next, apply a thin layer of eyelash glue. We'll talk about a pro tip with white glue later. Along the lash band, and wait a few seconds for it to become tacky. This waiting period is important because it helps the glue adhere better to your eyelid. If you apply the lashes too soon, they might slide around and not stick properly. Now comes the tricky part. Carefully place the lash strip as close as possible to your natural lash line, starting from the outer corner and working your way inwards. Take your time with this step and use tweezers if you need more control. The closer you get to your natural lash line, the more seamless the final look will be. Once the lash strip is in place, gently press down along the lash band to secure it. Make sure to press down on both ends and the middle to ensure the entire strip is firmly attached. You can use the back of your tweezers or a clean fingertip for this step. Finally, clamp your natural lashes and the falsies together using an eyelash curler for a seamless blend. This step helps to merge your natural lashes with the false ones, creating a more natural and cohesive look. You can also apply a coat of mascara to further blend the lashes together. And voila! You've just elevated your lash game to new heights. Admire your work in the mirror and enjoy the confidence that comes with beautifully enhanced lashes. With these steps, you'll be able to achieve a professional-looking application every time. Happy lashing!